Friends, how to fix and resolve problem. Once you open any program or application, so you will see this notice needs an update. We are getting the update ready for you. So to resolve this problem, just update this that application. So click on apps or click on this downloads and check for updates and update all the applications. And once you see this error in a particular application, so update it, that particular application. So this is the way you can try, and once you successfully update, this notice will be resolved. Thanks for watching.